dynasty, but you also came from a political
Yes,
dynasty.
ma'am, precisely. That's why ako yung may pinaka malaki at solid ang credibilidad to speak about political dynasties because I come from a political dynasty. So wala nang mas matindi pang expert sa political dynasty. Ako yun.
So are you saying that are you campaigning against yourself because you also how do you justify?
No, I am campaigning about us selecting people automatically based on their family affiliation. We should ask the person first. Okay, Duterte ka. Ano ba ang abilidad mo? Ano ba ang kapasidad mo? Okay, Marcos ka. Ano ba ang abilidad mo? Ano ba ang kapasidad mo? Hindi automatic yon na parang tipong pag-anak, asawa, kapatid, pamangkin, automatic na. Absent a law, that is the most that we can do as voters. Question the capacity and the competence of the candidate. Ang next question me is, suportahan ko ba ang batas ng anti-political dynasty? Yes, ma'am. Bibigyan nila ako ng pagkakataon na sumulat, ako yung susulat. Ako yung pinakamagaling sa political dynasty.
Ma'am, ilang limit ang bibigay mo for political dynasty? How many members?
Hindi ko pa sinusulat. Pero pag bigyan ninyo ako ng chance na sumulat, ako susulat niya.
Ma'am, inopen niyo sa...
Ito si Ronald Cardema, hindi man lang nag-consult sa akin paano isulat yung articles of impeachment. Tuloy, ewan ko. Maganda ba pagkasulat niya?
Oo nga, parang hindi pa na-file, ma'am, kasi holiday po. Si Tuesday, I think, or tomorrow, he will be filing it. Ma'am, ano po?
Kung tinanulan niya ako, di ako sumulat niya. Mas maganda yan pagkasulat. Kompleto yan. At ano. I don't have a vote in the House of Representatives eh. So,
But you think on that, ma'am? Yung pag-file po niya ng impeachment na rin sa president.
well, yun siguro ang damdamin ng Duterte Youth at yun yung consensus ng members ng Duterte Youth party list. So malamang kaya nila ginawa kasi nga yun yung gusto ng majority ng kanilang party list. And we can only watch and maybe support him. But I've not read the articles of impeachment. So hindi ko alam gaano siya kaganda pagkasulat. At gaano kaganda yung supporting documents para sa evidence.
How does your family feel about your stance on political dynasty?
Quiet sila. Hindi nila